My name is Dr. Shreyansh Prana. I am the second year medical student from Al Farabi Kazakh National Medical University. Today I examine respiratory system examination on the patient. What's your name and age, please?
My name is Arpit Rohit. I am 18 years old.
At first, now we examine the chest. So please take off your shirt. Have you any pain in your chest or in other organ?
No.
Are you ready for the examination?
Yes.
Please now focus on his chest, and here is not any type of shortness of breath and not any type of cyanosis, and it's all okay. Now inspection of your hands, so please do like this. Okay, yeah, and here is not showing any type of peripheral cyanosis, all good. Move around your hand. Here is also good. Okay. Now we are doing ischrometric video test, so please do the finger like this. This is a finger clubbing, and it's also good. So now please do like this. Now we are measuring your temperature. Please show your finger and hand. Okay, there is not any type of tremor showing. Now put like this. There is a good CO2 retention and other. Okay, good. Now I am showing the pulse. Please show your hand. Okay, good respiratory rate. Okay, please lay down. Turn left your head at a 45-degree angle, and now we are inspecting his face. So the face, and here is not showing any type of central cyanosis or not any type of hypoxia. Now pull down your eyelid, and here is not showing any type of anemia and other. And please open your mouth. There is not any. Please lift your tongue up. Okay, good. Now we are inspecting his chest. Show his chest, and there is not any type of scar and deformities on his chest wall, and there is also not a scar inspection or any. Now he's seeing the central chest. There is not any scar, and his clavicular bone like this. Yeah. Okay. Please pull right arm upside. Okay. There is also not any scar. Please upside the left arm. There is also not any type of scar. So please now we are assuming his tracheal position. This is approximately 3.4, and it's windpipe on chest, and now we are assess the cricosternal stance. Okay, and now we are palpating the. Now we are measuring the distance between cricosternal and other. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are assessing his chest expansion. So now please take a deep breath. Okay. Now okay. And now we are percussing his dullness sound. So here is showing not any type of cardiac dullness. Okay. Good. Now we are escalating his lung field, the breathness. Okay. Take it, breathe and flow. Now we are assessing the vocal resonance of this. So please say 99 all time.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Now we are assessed the pulpit gland and please sit up. Okay. Now we are inspecting a posterior chest wall. Please show. And there is a posterior chest wall expansion. Please take a deep breath out. Also deep breath out. Now we are percussing the posterior chest wall and the percussion note on his back side. So now please fold your arm for me and hold. Now we are assessing vocal resonance. Please say 99 for me.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Now please show his lower back or downside. Now we are assessing the sacral edema. Thank you for your examination.
Okay.
Yeah. In summary, I perform a respiratory exam on Arpit. There is a 19-year-old man, and if the Arpit has no preferred stigma and there is no any respiratory disease, and he has not so much and not a less respiratory rate. It's according good, and there is not any percussion scar on his anterior or posterior wall of chest, and no more secular breathing we found, and not any type of edited sound we get. And for completed the respiratory exam, the Mr. Arpit O2 saturation is needed, and we know and we measure the oxygen saturation. Thank you.